Welcome to my channel, TK Learn. Subscribe now. APPLE, apple, apple means sib. BANANA, banana, banana means kela. MANGO, mango, mango means arm. ORANGE, orange, orange means narangi. PINEAPPLE, pineapple, pineapple means ananas. GRAPES, grapes, grapes means angur. PAPAYA, papaya, papaya means papita. GUAVA, guava, guava means amrood. LEMON, lemon, lemon means nimbu. COCONUT, coconut, coconut means nariyal. WALNUT, walnut, walnut means akhrot. PEACH, peach, peach means aduk. PEAR, pear, pear means nashpati. PLUM, plum, plum means aloo bukhara. LYCHEE, lychee, lychee means lychee. CHERRY, cherry, cherry means cherry. FIG, fig, fig means anjeer. KIWI, kiwi, kiwi means kiwi. STRAWBERY, strawberry, strawberry means strawberry. WATERMELON, watermelon, watermelon means tarboos. POMEGRANATE, pomegranate, pomegranate means anar. CUSTARD, custard, APPLE, apple, custard apple means sharifa.